Actually, we are having power surplus also. That stage we have reached within 15 months' time. I really appreciate my officers who are responsible for this achievement. I am not satisfied with this. Now issue is more challenges. There is a power. We need green energy. That is our top priority. And also on energy, we wanted to reduce transmission losses and also theft commercial losses. I told them, because I also know some subject, even my Vijayanand and also my Jain, they can tell me, then I also can understand what is happening in the department. So immediately I told them, you have to reach international standards. Now I am very happy. Our transmission losses, both commercial everything, for the last 6 months, 10.3% or 10.4%. I told them by year end they have to reach single digit. Another 2 years or 3 years time, it must be at far international, that is 5% or 6%, which is acceptable, not more than 6%. That is my target. I am confident my people will achieve it 100%. Kohli sir, as you rightly mentioned, we are spending 21,000 crores on transmission. It may be, I can say, transmission means distribution, and also Transco, 400 kVs, 220 kVA everywhere. Even every district we are working one 400 kVA substation, and also every industrial zone also we are working 400 kVA substation for every industrial zone. This 21,000 crores we are going to spend within 4 years' time. And at the same time, recently I thought we have to go for green energy. Then I discussed with Piyush ji, he is also very active. Immediately, policy we have worked. I am very happy. SoftBank. His chairman is very dynamic fellow. He is very effective and very dynamic. He is also concerned for the society. I am telling you, all of you, everybody is doing business, but you are doing some good business. Why I am saying green energy? It is going to do good things for the society. This is very, very important now. From the beginning, this is my desire. There is a coal. Coal is a fuel if you use for energy. We are having some problems also. I am seeing everywhere so much of pollution. It is adding pollution to the society. Better India is having rich sun, abundant sunlight. Once I used to see 1 unit of power you want to convert. At the time we used to give MOUs also government side. 14 rupees per unit, only to promote green energy. Today I am very happy. It is coming around 5 rupees 50 paise or 6 rupees. So this is a reality. If you do some more research, some more efficiency in solar cells, then I am confident if it comes 4 rupees or 3 rupees 50 paise, then India will develop like anything. God has blessed us only sun. That too, abundant sunlight. Then we can convert sunlight into energy. That is the beautiful way. That is where we have to work it out. For that only, I made it very clear to our people, we have to do some research on this. Energy, everybody is talking about energy. There is no proper research or dedicated research on energy front. Either it may be distribution, it may be generation, it may be green energy, solar, wind energy. Recently we discussed about this in our office. Then ultimately we decided if you go for hybrid model of wind and solar, we will have tremendous advantage. Solar will come on the lower, wind will come, towers will come on the higher side. Same land, double advantage. more efficiency. Evacuation, if you see, daytime solar energy will come, evening time wind energy will come, PLF will be very high. So evacuation, there is an advantage. Even for land, there will be double advantage. So we are working on that. This is where, moreover, on solar energy cells, we have to do some more research on that. Then I am very confident it will be very, very attractive for India and also developing countries. This is one area we are very serious about it. We are doing some research. I am very happy. Just now, our friend has announced Chairman Managing Director, Suzlon Energy Limited, Tulsi Tanti, has announced 30 crore, 35 crores. I really appreciate him. By seeing his spirit, I asked my